Here I have Renault Captur, and let me show you how to perform the factory reset. Let me show you how to erase all data from the Renault infotainment system. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find and select the apps icon from the top of the screen. Scroll down here to select settings. From list of settings, all you need to do is find here and select the privacy. And from privacy, let's here find out the infotainment system data. And as you can see here, you can select erase all data factory reset. So it will erase all data and profiles from the infotainment system. That's what we need. So this will erase all data, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, and downloaded apps. If you are sure and you would like to accomplish this operation, let's tap erase all data. This will erase your personal data. You cannot undo this action. Let's tap erase everything to confirm. Right now the car is resetting the system. The car is performing the factory reset. So let's wait and see what will happen next. Probably we will need to set up the car one more time. Alright, as you can see, the system is back on. We can choose the language. In my case, let me select English. Alright, here let me tap English from United States. Tap begin. Let's read the terms and conditions if you would like to. If not, let's tap accept. Here you need to also accept some other terms. You can read them, and if you are sure, let's tap accept all. Tap accept. Here you can connect your vehicle to my Renault, or you can skip it. Let me skip it for now. So my vehicle is not connected. Tap next. You can also sign in to Google if you would like to, or you can skip it as well. Tap skip one more time. So here you can enable some services for Google. In my case, let me accept all of them. I trust that here everything is alright. Here let me tap next one more time. Next to data information. You can customize your profile. For example, you can select the profile lock with the pattern, PIN, password, or choose don't use a profile lock. Here you can also set up the assistant and apps. If you tap it, you will see those information here, the same as previous one. And you can connect your vehicle to my Renault, but we just skip it. So let me tap done for now. And that's it. You just enable the car infotainment system, just accomplish the hard reset operation. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.